Hello and welcome, my name is Asaf and this is Mastering Rhythm with Konnakol. This video is a continuation to the last video, video number 14, where we took a 5-beat cycle and played or sang taka taki ta in 1 per beat, 1 syllable per beat, and also in 1 syllable per 2 beats. And it went like this. Ta ka ta ki ta ta ka ta ki ta ta ka ta ki ta ta ka ta ki ta. In this video we're going to introduce a few more new speeds to the exercise. And the first speed we're going to introduce is 1 syllable per 3 beats. So we'll have a syllable appearing every 3 beats. Let's see how that lines up. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta, ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. Now let's try and break this down, and the first thing of course that we're going to start with is where are the junction points and the rhythmic placements. So the first syllable ta will meet the first beat, that will be a junction point, so that's easy. The second syllable ka, let's see how it lines up. Ta, ka. So ka meets that second wave, which will be the 4th beat. And let's move on. Ta, ka, ta. The syllable ta, which is the first syllable of the 3 ta, will meet the second beat. But the only thing is that on the second beat we don't have any claps, so there will be a rhythmic placement, meaning that the ta is located between the first beat and the first wave, which is the 3rd beat. Okay, let's do that once more. Ta, ka, ta. And let's look at the next syllable. Ta, ka, ta, ki. Ki meets the 5th beat, which again has no claps on it, so we'll have a rhythmic placement. And let's move on. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. The last syllable of the 3 and the last of the 5 as well, will meet the first wave, which will be the 3rd beat. So we have a junction point there. So all together once more. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta, ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. And that is the next speed. Now let's introduce another speed here, and this will be 1 syllable per 4 beats. And it will sound like this. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta, ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. Now let's break it down again to junction points and rhythmic placements. The first syllable, of course, meets the first clap. That's a junction point. The ka, which is the second syllable or the second of the 2. Let's see how it lines up. Ta, ka. The ka meets the 5th beat, which is a non-clap placement. Okay, let's move on. Ta, ka, ta. The ta meets the last wave, which is the 4th beat. And moving on. Ta, ka, ta, ki. The ki meets the first wave or the 3rd beat. That's a junction point. Next. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. So the ta, which is the last syllable, will meet the second beat, which is a non-clap placement. Let's try and do that again. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta, ta, ka, ta, ki, ta, ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. And the last speed we're going to introduce is actually quite an easy one, and it's one syllable per 5 beats. So we'll have one syllable in the beginning of each cycle, like this. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta, ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. So we now have 5 speeds for this exercise. One syllable per beat, one syllable per 2 beats, one syllable per 3 beats, one syllable per 4 beats, and one syllable per 5 beats. So now let's try and do 2 times per each speed, starting with the first 1 per beat, then 1 per 2, 1 per 3, 1 per 4, 1 per 5, and then go back up. 1 per 4, 1 per 3, 1 per 2, 1 per 1. And it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta, 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 ta. So first try and work out each one of those speeds individually, so you can feel those junction points and the rhythmic placements. And also I would like to remind you again that one of the most important aspects of this exercise is your being able to feel the first beat in every bar, the first beat in every 5-beat cycle. And that rhythmic aspect is what I simply call 1. Thank you very much, and I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson. I am looking forward to seeing you in the next clip. Thank you so much.